We got everything cleared out today and getting ready to sand everything down, silicone, and prime for painting. And then we were just looking at this right here and discussing if we should actually take that whole thing out in the middle.
This here.
That would open up this whole space.
Because it would be really easy, this cabinet. You just take it out and this actually runs straight down, and you cut this off and you cut this off. If we took this out, this whole area would be open, and that way we could like walk around here and not run into each other. But we would sacrifice a few cabinets. But I don't know, it would just open the space up a lot. So I don't know, what do you think? There's not much, it's just drawers here and a little thing. And this thing's pretty cool though, because it's like a big, it slides out, and there's like a plastic tub that slides out right here on rollers. And you can, it's like a giant thing, so you could put a lot of like canned food and stuff in there. I don't know. I guess we have to make a decision.
When you come in, it'll be pretty open. If this whole thing right here was gone, you just come in and it's gonna be like open space all right here. That would be pretty cool. That'd be actually really cool. But
even for like your brain and stuff, it wouldn't be like so
tight in here and claustrophobic.
Yeah, I mean it's fine right now because it's still pretty huge, but that just like, I don't know, that just makes it like, I mean, look, you know what I'm saying? That's like huge.
We would remove this thing too, and this would just be, this is where you come in right here, and it would be just open space all the way down. I think that'd be pretty cool.
That'd be amazing.
Like imagine the wood flooring,
yeah,
like all up right here.
Yeah, that'd be.
I guess let's do it.
I guess, I mean.
You're saying it's pretty easy to do because this cabinet detaches right here, and then this one you just, it also like ends where the other one is. You just put a wall there in the back though.
And we're gonna redo the countertops and this trim piece anyways.
Okay, I guess let's just do it. I guess we'll sacrifice storage for open space and making it feel more open and just being able to walk past each other because you can't right now with this little section right here.
Okay, let's do it. Gotta go get some breaking tools.
Okay.
Should we leave this and get rid of this?
Probably not. Do all of it.
Do all of it?
Yep.
You like how it looks?
Yeah.
Imagine screw these things, these slider things. I don't think I need them for here, but I'll need them for something else. Recycle the sliders for something else. Get beat for saying here.
After you give
You got your finger cut? Why'd you stay your hand there? Huh? I'm gonna take this off, and this is the table mount. I'm gonna screw this. We're actually thinking of maybe moving the table that way a little bit and making it like skinnier and a little bit longer so it doesn't stick out this way too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna screw this. Ew. And it's out. Hey.
So much open space.
This is crazy. Let me measure it. So it's 3.5 feet wide. 3.5 feet wide. And like 10.5 feet long. So this is like 30, 40 square feet open area. Nice.
Yeah. That's a lot of open space.
Yeah.
It looks so much better.
We're thinking of just
Oh my
making
goodness.
like a smaller table here, like a skinnier one and a longer one.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll probably just do like, this is a foot, probably just a foot. So it's still gonna give you a lot of space. And then just make it like 3 feet long, huh? Maybe, like this.
Sure.
That way we'll have plenty of space on the table,
Mm-hmm.
but it will stick out one like this,
Yeah.
because it's going like this much. We're thinking about doing like a flip up table here.
Yeah, when you need it, and then when you don't need it, you can put it down
Yeah.
so it doesn't take up space.
And that way we'll still have the counter space pretty much we had before,
Yeah.
but it can also be open.